Alright everybody, next tool is my absolute favorite tool, which is the clone tool. The clone tool is one of those where you can, put your friend's head on a line if you wanted to. Or you can kind of make it look like a picture, kind of continues. Or you can take things out of your picture. It's super cool. So, your clone tool is right about in the middle of your toolbar. Again, mouse over it and it'll show up. And if I hold my mouse down, there's only two different options here. Chances are the clone stamp tool will be showing. I'm going to go ahead and select on that. And then I want to show you guys how to use the clone tool, because you have to actually use the Alt key. So go ahead and locate the Alt key, A-L-T, on your keyboard. And when you press the Alt key, it's going to change your mouse. It's going to look like a little target. And so I'm going to move my mouse over here, because what I want to do is I want to try and get rid of the line here that's going on in my sky. So holding the Alt key down, I'm going to click my mouse in the area that I want to stamp. What the clone tool does is it kind of takes information from one area and transfers it to the next. So here I'm going to select in this space, and then you'll see that I have different brush sizes, which are also kind of options here on the top control bar. And so a really quick and nice and easy tool or shortcut that you can use are the bracket keys. They're next to the P and the O. They're just to the right of them, where you've got your bracket keys, and if you press the right one, it will make your brush larger. And if you press the left one, it'll make your brush smaller. Go ahead and play around with that and pause this video when you need to. But I'm going to get kind of a medium-sized brush here. And now you can see when I move it over, that blue is taking the information that's from right here, and it's bringing it wherever I move my mouse. So what I want to try and do is actually get rid of this line here. And let's see. I hold my Alt key down, maybe I need to find a different spot for it. Okay, now I can go over here. Oh, I know why it's not working. I'm not on the proper section that I want to be on. So I was clicked on my background layer, so here is an example of learning. So on my kite layer, now I will go back, press the Alt key, and then come on over here. And now you can see that I'm starting to get rid of that, and I can kind of blend that in a little bit more. And just keep on selecting different areas with that Alt key and clicking, and then you'll see how it will kind of help you. And so you can see as I move down here, it's also kind of repeating everything that I want, and some things that I don't necessarily want. But basically, it depends on your accuracy and where you're moving the mouse around.